Hey travelers, Krista took the kids down to the beach so that I could get some work done today, but I wanted to give you guys a tour of the Airbnb. Krista took the GoPro with her and took the kids down to the beach, so hopefully she got some footage down there. And I think they went to go get some ice cream or something like that. Oh, and we need gas as well because we're gonna be traveling tomorrow. So if she took any of those clips, I'm gonna import them in now, and then we're gonna go and do an Airbnb tour.
We are at the beach while Dad is working. And we are having a lot of fun. Burying Beckett.
Just his legs.
Oh my God. So we are having a great time at the beach. Oh, it's very windy too. And they're still burying him.
2 scoops. Going all out.
The kids were only $3.50 each.
Oh wow.
It was a ton that kids couldn't finish it. It was so much extra.
Yeah.
But then I see like on the menu there's something called a baby cone. And I'm thinking it's like ridiculous.
Yeah.
The lady orders for a kid. It's a full-size cake cone with a giant scoop of ice cream. I was like, we could have all got ice cream for $1.
So
They
you-
gave a tip. They were very nice.
$19.24 for ice cream.
With tip.
I can use all of Amelia's pictures.
You can use all of Amelia's pencils? That's so nice of her.
Dad, sorry, I only made one video at the beach.
That's okay. Something's better than nothing.
And we got pictures with ice cream.
Oh boy. Well, the gas costs $62.12.
It's okay.
That should be able to get us to where we need to go. Got fun at the beach?
Yeah. We didn't. Yeah. Well.
I know.
Back
We
in-
found a playground at the
There was a playground
So
there?
actually, that's why we should go back. The
Yeah.
playground has a Mackinac Bridge replica. It's
Ah,
gonna have a lot of stuff in that one little area.
that's cool.
Yeah, but the wind was blowing really hard.
Yeah.
And so the sand would hit Beckett, and he would start screaming bloody murder like he was gonna die.
Yeah, it's
And
super
then
windy
he
today.
didn't want to get off. So I'm exhausted. But I would like to go back because I want to go down the pier.
Uh-huh.
I want to go into the marshy area.
Uh-huh.
There's so much stuff we didn't even get
Okay.
to see. So
Yeah, let's try and go back later on today. That'll be fun.
yeah.
All right, go take a nap.
Yeah.
The wind in Cheboygan today is crazy. It's like 31 miles per hour right now. It's almost like tropical storm type of stuff. I wanted to point out though that Michigan has Christmas trees growing everywhere. There's this big giant one like a block away from our Airbnb. It's super cool. It's actually like 3 Christmas trees all lined up right there. It's so fun. Decided to leave the house and go out for a walk. And I see some kind of shindig going down over there. Let's go see what it's all about. Right, the closer I'm getting to it, I think it's a garage sale of some sort, or some kind of yard sale. All kind of tables set out. Let's go check it out. Who had one of those? Wow. Do any of you guys know what that is? A cassette player? Let me know in the comments. And I think I had this game too for my computer, like back in the day, 2002. Wow. Bringing back the memories. They just have all the things here. They are having an adventure there. The tents that they have set up keep blowing away because of this crazy wind. And so I stopped to help them. I helped them fold up some of their tents and whatnot, the tarps that they had over everything. And then they were like, just take whatever you want. Thank you for your help. So I ended up with some stuff for the kids right here. I'll show y'all whenever we get back home. And they also were having a bake sale, so I got some cookies for everyone. We might come back here in a little bit and let Krista and the kids roam around some more. That's right, here is the church that's nearby. Our Airbnb is actually right across the parking lot right here. And so I think we're gonna go to church tomorrow because Krista talked to the priest. And the priest said, because we're traveling, you can come on Friday morning, and it's called a disposition or something like that, to where we don't have to go to church on the day that we're traveling, because tomorrow's a travel day for us. We're going all the way up to the UP, so that was super cool. I'm still sleeping?
What'd you do?
I found some things. Some things.
Oh my.
What is it? What's on top? What is it?
Where are those from?
Dad brings the goods.
Where are those from?
What is it, Beckett?
Where are those from?
What is it?
Cookies! Where are those from?
So there's a garage sale down the road.
You should have taken me!
I didn't know it was there until I was walking out that way. The wind was blowing the ladies' tarps and stuff all over the place, and so I helped them putting them back, and they said, "Oh, thank you so much. Take whatever you want. And here, come have some cookies." So they gave me this plate of cookies, and I found a whole bunch of coloring things for you guys.
Thank you so much!
Only got stuff for y'all, nothing for me. We're not opening these yet.
Why didn't you get anything for you?
I just didn't see anything that I really wanted.
We have half a cookie.
Not yet. We gotta show Mom. So there's a whole bunch of fun sticker and maze books and coloring books, construction paper, Avengers, Mickey Mouse, sticker faces, all the things. It's time to eat a cookie. It's time to eat a cookie. Turn off screens, make them go away. It's time to eat a cookie. So these are Almond Joy cookies. So they should have chocolate and almonds and coconut in them, which is my favorites.
I didn't one.
Hold on, wait, whoa. Put that back. Since you were the first one to grab, you are now going to be the last one to grab.
Oh.
And y'all two get to play rock, paper, scissors to see who gets the first cookie.
Is that cute?
Yes, go. Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Amelia won. She gets to pick the cookie. Beckett, you get to pick next. Which one would you like?
That one.
Okay.
I almost jumped the gun.
Jacques, you can have whichever one you like now. May the first be last and the last be first. How are they? Is it good?
I got the gun.
I know. So did Beckett. They're good? Let me take a little taste. Let's see if Mom wants one.
Not even in the kitchen.
What?
It's not even in the kitchen.
I told you it was on the baker's rack. Are you looking for a fantastic Airbnb in Cheboygan, Michigan to stay at? We are in this one right here. I want to show you guys all around. First of all, you're going to come in through the back door right here. So you're going to just simply type in your code and then you're going to come into this. This is like a mudroom type of area. So you can put all your shoes and backpacks and things you want to store. And I actually really like this. And then you're going to come into here and this is where it gets good. First of all, you have your laundry room right here to the left. You have a nice washer, dryer. You have all the things that you need to be able to do your laundry. Then as you continue to walk in, you'll see this little greeting table right here, little hallway table. Look at this kitchen. You have so much room in this kitchen to be able to cook, which is a great way to save money while you're staying at Airbnbs. You have a nice Frigidaire professional refrigerator freezer right here so that you can put all the things that you want to cook. We love a good well-stocked Airbnb kitchen, and this one definitely suffices. And this right here is your living room area. Furniture is super comfortable. It may not look that elegant or maybe look a little outdated in my opinion. I could easily take a nap in this recliner or on this nice big giant couch right here. You just sink down into it. I really like how comfortable that is. Let's go on over here into this bedroom. This is where the kids have been sleeping. You got a nice closet right here with plenty of games for the kids to play. The kids have been actually using that quite a lot. And this is the bed right here that you can stay in. You have an IKEA mattress underneath here. That's a nice foam mattress. Kids got a great night's sleep on it. This has been a fantastic bedroom for the kids to be able to have some fun in and to get a good night's sleep in. They play games and whatnot. Now, let me take you guys to the other section of the house, which is right over here through the kitchen and living room. Let's go into the bathroom first. This is one bathroom. This is the main bathroom because it has the sink right here, right as you walk in. Hey guys, how's it going? You have your toilet right there. And then you also have this nice tub with shower on there. It's got a nice big Delta shower head right here. Nice fixtures in here. All in all, I have no issues with this bathroom. You have a nice full-length mirror there, places to hang your towels all over the place. Right across from this bathroom is the bedroom that me and my wife slept in. Very, very comfortable bed right here. Got some nice windows, some natural light coming into the room as well, which has been fantastic. I like that they have this little bench right here that I can kind of throw my clothes out on and be able to get to it really easily. Over into here is the other bathroom. This one does not have the shower in it, but it does have this extra toilet and sink, so you can kind of separate kids from parents, or have one kid go to one bathroom, one kid go to the other bathroom. Hey guys. So that y'all can easily get things done, get moving, get ready to go so that you can go and enjoy your day. Now, let me take you guys outside, and the way we're gonna go outside is through that hallway that we came in on, because they asked that you do not use that door. So coming in through here, my wife got to realizing with the exit sign, with the door closer on the top of this thing, and with all these shelves and cubby holes, we think that this was actually a preschool before it became an Airbnb. And it made it so functional to have this mudroom here. I really, really like this room. I just wish that they would paint it and make it look a little bit nicer in this one room, because the rest of the house is absolutely beautiful. You just saw it. And let's take a look at what we have outside. So this is where our car is. We can park right here or over into the rocks. If you want to have a little bit of extra patio space right here, you can do that. And then there's a nice grill right here. It's one of those Dynaglow type of ones right there. It's not fancy, but it does a good job grilling. We made some burgers on it, works well. You do have this nice little outdoor fenced in area right here. I don't know if they allow pets at the Airbnb because we don't have pets, but if they do, this could easily work as like a fenced in yard for pets, or if you have kids and you want to keep them safe. And then they have all this area right here in the rocks to go run around and play, get some sunshine. This is a fantastic Airbnb. It's got plenty of room outside and inside to be able to do all the things that you want to do and be comfortable while you are out traveling. So definitely recommend this thing. So we made it to the park beach. This is where Krista took the kids earlier today. There's a playground right there, the beach, there's the lighthouse, and there's a pier. So we're gonna go walk the pier, go to the lighthouse, then we'll probably come over here to the playground, and we might walk along the beach for a little bit. Is there anything else here that I missed?
Oh, there's like a marshy area over here, and you can walk out and see where all the flowers.
Oh, okay. We'll go do that too. 5 things to do. Wind's not as bad as it was earlier, but that wind was crazy. There's no alewife fish here. That's good. See if the water's cold. Yep, still cold. Is this lighthouse a working lighthouse?
I mean, like, I'm sure it was at some point.
No, it's not like currently.
No.
You go inside, it's locked. Oh no, it's 1884. It's a historic resource. Oh wow.
No, it's huge.
Cool.
I don't know what kind.
See it?
No.
Can't tell what kind of fish that is.
Me neither.
Walk down the pier. Hey, let's go to Mackinac Island.
Oh. I bet the ferry was awful today.
I bet. I don't know what that is. So I was trying to figure out what the heck that thing is right there using Google Lens. And I couldn't figure it out, so I'm assuming it's some kind of modern day lighthouse as opposed to being these old school ones. And another assumption for that is that there's this big giant ship right here, and so they obviously need some kind of detection. And on the sign back there, it said that it makes a loud noise whenever things get close. So that'd be some kind of like detection type of noise. That's my guess. If you guys know, y'all can let me know in the comments below. Playground area. Kids are on there somewhere. Dang, you're good at that, bud.
I can go fast if you
Go, Becky, go, climb, you got it, you got it. You can slide, boom, there you go. Keep going. This is so fun. Whoa, crash. Go, 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 go. The bridge. Is that like a little lookout area?
Yeah.
Huh.
It's like where the lake water comes in and creates this marsh.
Yeah. cold up here.
Show Mom the one with your
You want? Okay. Did you get cold? Huh?
A little chilly.
Yeah. Think we should put that picture in the video? Amelia did her first panoramic picture and she caught me with a beautiful face.
That's sarcasm right there. You gotta show them the picture.
Showing Mom your beautiful picture of me?
Cool. We don't have to go.
Okay, then
That wind is
I know, it's icy.
awful.
Call me wood. I got him with the most beautiful face.
That's a curmudgeon thing.
Click this video right here if you guys want to continue the adventure with us.